Big banks and brokerages are counting on you to blindly make a contribution, and they've conditioned you so they can continue to profit from you in the form of management fees and investment products within your RRSP. As the RRSP deadline's approaching, you're probably seeing plenty of advertisements making you feel the pressure to make a contribution. Now, before you make that decision, take a moment to think about your future and the future of your loved ones. Nelson Nash, a mentor to many, shared a golden rule to rethink your thinking. Imagine a retirement where you're not held back by taxes and penalties on your hard-earned savings. A retirement where you have the freedom to use your money for the things that matter most to you and your family. A retirement where you are in control of your own financial future. Now, isn't it mind-boggling that when you put your money into a government-designed plan who apparently has put it in place for your safety, you need the government's permission on how you can use your own money? The plan's intended design was for you to only use it for retirement. The only exception where you can draw on that money is when you're buying your very first home or an improved education program. Doesn't that sound backwards to you, that the government is the one that's dictating how you use your money and not you? You may be victim to being rushed on contributing to the RRSP deadline by February 28th on most years. And who do you think helps them with rushing you to pile in your contributions before the deadline? That's right, it's the banks, the big banks and the brokerages. Their claim is that if you don't take the time to evaluate your options and make an informed decision, you could be missing out on these opportunities. In fact, if you didn't know, big banks and brokerages are counting on you to blindly make a contribution, and they've conditioned you so they can continue to profit from you in the form of management fees and investment products within your RRSP. So you can agree with me, it's time for you to rethink your thinking. Don't let them control your financial future. It's time for you to take control of your money and your retirement by becoming your own banker. Don't let the pressure of the deadline rush you into a decision that can hold you back into a future you deserve. Take the time to make the right choice for you and your loved ones, and click the video link to learn more about the truths about an RRSP that many don't even know.